So I have here a pair of VamPliers Pro screw extraction pliers from Vampire Tools. They're essentially a Linesman style plier that have a unique end on there that allows you to extract like stripped, rusted out screws and nuts and bolts. Let's take a look at them. So as you can see, the end of the plier has these vertical serrations that grip the heads of screws and nuts and bolts, and when you twist, it kind of generates gripping power to get the screw out. And of course, you got the flat edge for gripping, and you have a cutting edge, and you have another gripping edge down here. And one thing I like about the handles is that they're kind of wider at the bottom here, so you can really apply a lot of force and it won't hurt your hands. So I actually have this projector here with this very annoying bracket on the end that's held on by a Torx safety style screw. I don't know if you can see it, but it has that little protruding thing in the center that doesn't allow you to use a regular Torx tool to get it out. So this is actually my first test with these. I've never used these before, and we'll see how they work. So, pretty amazing. So that was a pretty lightweight test, and they worked great, but I'm gonna put one of these into a piece of wood and see how well they can extract it. That should be good enough. So that's pretty impressive. This is the VamPliers Pro. So we're going to try it on a little diesel engine. Got some nuts in here, or sorry, some bolts. Yep, works on that. Let's try a big one. Got that out. That was on there pretty tight. As I hope you could tell. So yes, these are very cool, very worthwhile to have in your toolbox or on your tool belt or whatever you're doing. Check them out.